Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Antika Nilam Cahaya, NPM 22411-210. I'm from the University of Technocrat Indonesia, majoring in S1 Management. Here I will explain one of the material in the marketing strategy management course. Listen and watch the video carefully. 5 generic competitive strategy. Competitive strategy often referred to as Porter strategy involves the deliberate choice and action taken by a company to gain an advantage over its competitor. It requires analyzing the industry landscape, understanding customer needs and preferences, and differentiating itself from competitors. By formulating and implementing effective strategy, business can build sustainably competitive advantage, which is a key element of Porter competitive strategy. Michael Porter generic strategy offer a powerful homework for businesses, guiding them to carve out a clear and sustainably position in the market. The strategy outlines the three fundamental approaches to achieving competitive advantage: cost leadership, differentiation, and focus. 1. Cost leadership. This strategy position a company as the lowest cost producer in its industry while maintaining satisfactory quality by leveraging economies of scale, efficient operation, and effective cost management. A company can offer a product or service at lower prices than competitors. While this approach is particularly effective in price-sensitive market, it poses challenges such as maintaining quality standards and adapting to change in the competitive landscape. Well, now companies that have successfully implemented cost leadership include Walmart and Ryanair. 2. Differentiation. This strategy focus on creating a unique product, service, or brand identity that set the company apart from competitor by emphasizing design, features, technology, quality, or customer service. A company can offer a superior value, charge premium prices, and build customer loyalty. Successful differentiation requires investment in research and development, marketing, and a strong commitment to quality. Apple and Nike are examples of companies that have successfully implemented a differentiation strategy. 3. Focus. This strategy involves targeting a specific market segment or niche and tailoring product, service, or marketing efforts to meet its unique needs. Focus can be achieved through a cost focus or differentiation focus, which allows a company to serve a narrow customer base more effectively than its broader competitors. The advantage of a focus strategy include customer loyalty, reduced competition, and the ability to meet unique customer requirements. However, challenges might arise due to limited market size and shifting customer preferences. Lululemon is a prime example of a company that has successfully implemented a focus strategy. The 5 generic competitive strategy. 1. Example of low-cost provider strategy. Low-cost provider is a strategy used by providing cheaper prices than a competitor on certain product with the aim from a wide target market. An example of the application of this strategy can be seen in the intense market competition in smartphone sales, where the Xiaomi brand appears on the market competing with other better known manufacturers such as Samsung and Apple, which is one of the attraction and the soaring reputation of Xiaomi in the Indonesian market is its products that are cheaper than other competitors. Xiaomi is able to sell smartphones with specifications that can compete at cheaper prices. For example, a comparison between the Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime and the Xiaomi Redmi Note with similar specifications but at different prices. The Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime is priced at around 2,300,000, while the Xiaomi Redmi Note is priced at around 1,999,000. Two examples of both differentiation strategy. Both differentiation is a strategy used by using certain attributes or characteristics that attract buyers with a broad target market. An example of the application of this strategy can be seen from the well-known brand of bottled water, namely Aqua. Many companies that have tried to enter the bottled water industry because it is seen as having a good market and great profit opportunities. However, no matter how much bottled water is sold, people can still judge and choose the product they want. Even though the product sold are the same, at first glance there is no difference. Bottled water with the Aqua brand is one of the best-selling bottled waters, and one way to distinguish Aqua from other bottled water is the brand attached to the packaging and the statement from Aqua that Aqua is bottled water that comes directly from mountain spring, which distinguish it from other bottled water. The Aqua brand has a high reputation and trust from customers, which has caused the Aqua bottled water brand to still be able to survive and lead the competition in the bottled water market. 3. Example of focus low-cost strategy. Focus low-cost is a strategy used by focusing on a narrow segment only on buyers who are sensitive to price and cost, so that they can offer products at low prices. An example of this strategy is Checkers drive-in restaurant, which only focus on the restaurant on the drive-in fast food market to reduce operating costs and offer lower prices. For example of focus differentiation strategy. Focus differentiation is a strategy used by narrowing the market and buyer criteria and meeting the needs and tastes of buyers specifically. An example of the application of this strategy is like the company Algerindo Multi-Product Industry, or better known as Eiger, is an Indonesian company that is famous in the field of manufacturing product and selling adventure equipment. Their market specialty is nature lover and customer who like to adventure. Therefore, the product offered are specifically for adventures, such as various types of bags, rucksacks, day bags, shoulder bags, waist bags, travel bags, essential clothing, headwear, footwear, sleeping bags, tents, and other equipment. 5. Example of best cost provider strategy. Best cost provider is a strategy used by providing more value to customers so that customers are willing to pay more to get the benefits of the product. An example of the use of this strategy is the instant food product Quaker Oats. In Indonesia, it is no longer rare to find ready-to-eat instant food that is easily available in supermarket or grocery stores and on the side of the road, but instant Quaker Oats can be said to have a market price that is still relatively higher than other instant food. However, being the price of Quaker Oats is slightly higher than its competitors' instant food, there are various benefits that can be obtained if you consume Quaker Oats that are not obtained from its competitor, namely can be healthy for the heart, can lose weight effectively, treat type 2 diabetes, contains 100% with lowers blood pressure, can prevent cancer, and can be consumed by all ages. That's all from the explanation of one of the material that I have explained. I apologize if there are any wrong words of action in the video. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.